So about a month ago, I picked up this vacuum sealing kit that you could put your 3D printer filament inside these little bags like you see here. And I wanted to actually test these out for about a month and make sure they held their seal before I did any more. And I also want to be able to provide you guys with a video and give you guys some honest thoughts on these bags. So when you get these, you can pick them up and you get the little pump like you see here. And then you also get 20 of these bags. Now, if you end up using all 20 bags and you go to buy these the next time, there is an option where you can basically get 5 more bags, so 25 bags total. And you don't have to get a pump every single time you make an order. So you've got 2 options available there. If you've already got a pump that you can use, you can forego that and get more bags instead. So I went ahead, like I said, this time around, I got the 20 bag option. So I go ahead and get the pump. Now the pump is not battery powered. It is one that you have to plug into the wall. Not a huge deal though. So basically we'll just go ahead and take this out. Now this does come apart here. You can see it's got a USB-A or it adapts to the USB-C. So depending on which wall adapter you need, you can plug that in. So I'll go ahead and plug this in real quick. And then you'll see here, this little dude turns on like that. So let's go ahead and get this bag set up. We'll do one together. Now these are the ones I mentioned. I've had these sealed up for about a month now, and they are just the same as they were a month ago when I sealed them up. So far, I've been pretty happy with the bags. They do exactly as they're advertised. But we'll go ahead and we'll open one of these up. It's just like a sandwich bag. You'll open this, throw our filament inside the bag, and then there is a spot here on the bag where you see where it kind of shows you to line the filament up. I'll show you on an empty bag here. So you can see there's a spot there. You kind of line your filament up in that bag, but we'll get that kind of in place. We'll get our seal. So this bag's all zipped up, ready to go now. We'll just basically take our pump and we'll put it on the little plastic piece that you see right there. And then this will just vacuum down like so. And it actually goes pretty quick for the most part. Once you actually get it to make a good seal, that is. But you can see how fast this thing vacuum seals up here and locks itself in place in like 30 to 45 seconds. The bag is all packed down like you see. That's as tight as it's gonna get. We'll take that off. And that's all there is to it, guys. Super cool little bags. Like I said, I've been pretty happy with these things so far, and they've done a pretty good job for me. If you're looking for the 20 pack with the pump, there's that option available to you. Or like I mentioned, you can get these in a pack of 25, and it does not come with the pump.